Welcome back to Decor Like Dream, the place where ordinary spaces get extraordinary makeovers. If you've been thinking about upgrading your patio, you're in exactly the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting outdoor design trends taking over homes everywhere: epoxy patio finishes. Whether your outdoor space is large or small, epoxy can completely transform how it looks and feels. So let's get into it, because your dream patio might be closer than you think. First, let's talk about what epoxy actually is, because a lot of people hear the word and immediately think it's complicated. It's not. Epoxy is a durable coating system that bonds directly to concrete surfaces, creating a smooth, hard-wearing finish that can last for years with minimal upkeep. It's resistant to stains, moisture, and heavy foot traffic, which makes it a perfect choice for outdoor patios. Once it cures, it creates a surface that's both beautiful and tough, a rare combination in home design. One of the best things about epoxy is how many design directions you can take it. You can go sleek and modern with a solid neutral tone, or bold and artistic with swirling metallic effects that catch the light beautifully. Some homeowners prefer a natural stone look, using epoxy flakes to mimic the texture of granite or quartz. Others lean into earthy, warm tones that blend seamlessly with outdoor surroundings. No matter your personal style, there's an epoxy design that fits it perfectly, and that versatility is exactly what makes it so popular right now. Metallic epoxy finishes have become a massive trend, and honestly, it's easy to see why. The way these finishes move and shift under natural light creates a depth that no paint or tile can replicate. Colors like ocean blue, charcoal, champagne gold, and forest green are among the most sought-after choices. Each pour is completely unique, meaning your patio will have a one-of-a-kind look that nobody else has. If you want your outdoor space to be a genuine conversation starter, metallic epoxy is one of the most stunning ways to get there. Your patio has so much potential, and epoxy might just be the upgrade it's been waiting for. From bold metallic swirls to clean, understated finishes, the possibilities are genuinely endless. The best part is that once it's done, you get to enjoy it for years without a lot of effort or ongoing cost. If today's video sparked some ideas or helped you see your outdoor space in a new light, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little patio inspiration. This is Decor Like Dream, and we'll see you in the next one.